How to restore your Trust Wallet account. Hello everyone and welcome back. On this video, we'll be talking about some of the guides by which you can restore your Trust Wallet account. First of all, you have to make sure that your account is up to date and the application is installed on your device. Once that is done, you need to tap on the Trust Wallet icon which is present on your Android and it will take you to this page. Now tap on Get Started. Now, there are two options. You can either create a new wallet or to restore, tap on the second option, Add Existing. Once you have tapped on Add Existing Wallet, you could either have to create a passcode or you have to choose a backup option. If you have backed up using the different kinds of network, you can either select from the Swift, Google Drive Backup, View Only Wallet, or Secret Phase. After this, you have to select your network, enter the secret phrases, also known as mnemonic phrases, that you previously backed up. This way, you will get an option to restore the wallet, and then tap on the button, and your wallet should now be restored. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.